Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check in online with Wizz. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So to reduce costs and keep their fares cheap, Wizz actually offers free online check-in options. Online check-in is available from 30 days up to 3 hours before the scheduled departure time. Online check-in is available from 30 days up to 3 hours before the scheduled departure time if you have purchased a seat during your booking. In case you have not purchased any seats with your booking, check-in will only become available only 24 hours before departure. So what you'll need to do is first check in online, and then print your boarding card. From there you can present your printed boarding card at the gate with your travel documents no later than 30 minutes before the scheduled departure time. If you hold non-EU travel documents, you need to present yourself at the check-in counter to have your documentation checked and your boarding card stamped. If you have baggage to drop off, go to the baggage drop desk no later than 40 minutes prior to departure, or according to the local rules as indicated in the check-in times section. During the online check-in process, you might be requested to provide visa details on certain routes. If no visa is required for your destination, just fill in the field with XXXX characters. Children under 14 need to be accompanied and checked in online by a passenger older than 16. You can change your reservation except for the flight and the name, or purchase additional services even after the online check-in. So that's how you can check in online with Wizz. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.